Hiring a competent land surveyor in Chattarpur is essential if you want accurate results from your land survey. If you need to know where something is located or what features it has, you should hire a land surveyor. They employ cutting-edge equipment and methods to precisely measure and map the land in accordance with all applicable regulations. There is a great need for a reliable land surveyor in Chattarpur due to the extensive building and development going place there. Scon Design Delhi is a well-regarded land surveying firm with a Chattarpur location. They are widely recognized as a leading land surveying firm thanks to their extensive experience and skill. Scon Design Delhi is a leading provider of professional land surveying services for homeowners, builders, and government agencies in the area. They know the value of accurate measurements and thorough mapping in construction projects. Scon Design Delhi employs a staff of licensed land surveyors who are proficient in the use of cutting-edge surveying technology. They are familiar with Chattarpur's land surveying legislation and procedures and will use this knowledge to ensure that all surveys are carried out legally. They stand out from competing land surveying firms in the area due to their meticulousness and adherence to all applicable laws and regulations. Scon Design Delhi provides comprehensive land surveying services for both commercial and residential clients. This covers construction staking, subdivision surveys, topographic surveys, and boundary surveys. They are trained professionals who can precisely locate property lines, spot intruders, and generate comprehensive maps for future development. Scon Design Delhi is proud to offer not just technical expertise, but also superior customer service. When it comes to land surveying, they know that every customer has different needs and goals. A professional land surveyor with relevant knowledge and skills should be contracted for any land surveying in Chattarpur. When defining the limits and features of a plot of land, a land surveyor is important. To ensure compliance with all regulations, they use cutting-edge technology to precisely measure and map the area. Due to the extensive building and development going place in Chattarpur, a qualified land surveyor services are required. Scon Design Delhi is among the best land surveyors in the Chattarpur area. They're well known in the land surveying industry thanks to their years of experience and skill. Scon Design Delhi is a leading provider of trustworthy land surveying services to private citizens, commercial builders, and public institutions. When it comes to developing land, they know the value of accurate measurements and thorough mapping. Scon Design Delhi's team of experts includes licensed land surveyors who are familiar with cutting-edge surveying tools and technology. They are well versed in the laws and standards that apply to land surveying in Chattarpur, guaranteeing that all surveys are carried out ethically and legally. Their meticulousness and compliance with all regulations set them apart from competing land surveying firms in the area.